Stick around as we break down the mystery of the rapture from a premillennial and pre-tribulation perspective in a way that makes sense and, most importantly, gets you excited about God's promises. So, what is the rapture? The term comes from the Latin word rapturo and the Greek word arpazo, which means to snatch up, to seize suddenly. In 1 Thessalonians 4, 16 to 17, Paul writes, "The Lord himself will descend from heaven with a shout, and the dead in Christ will rise at first." This rapture is when Jesus comes for his church to rescue believers. It's distinct from the second coming, where Jesus returned with his saints to establish his kingdom on earth.